was not planning to start my vlog this way. I wanted to start it with like getting ready with me to work, but there was no light, so I just had to make do with what I had. I had to get to work first, and when I got to work, it was so busy. So right now I just finished eating. It is like after 12. I just finished taking my breakfast, it's like my morning food or so. So my plan for today is just when I close from work, I want to like get to my sister. My sister works in Awka too, this same Awka around this area. So I want to get to her and get the skincare products she got from me, because I bought the skincare kit from her. The skincare kit, and I'm going to do the unboxing for you here. So this just like starting of the channel. So I'll get back to work. My eating break is over. See ya. I'm going to try to take you around with some activities that will do work even if I don't talk. So we'll see how it will go. I'm so tired already. I'll see how it goes. So peace. Right now it's about after 5. I'm in another consulting room anyway. I just changed up. I'm done for today. Just a black top and a trouser. So I'm going home. I'm done with my shift. I'm going home right now. I'm so damn tired. Today was so busy. So but I can't go to my sister's house again because she's not around. She went for an Oriflame hangout, so I can't go there to get the skincare product. Maybe tomorrow I'll go there, but for now I'm just going to start going home and then know if there's anything I can do for today. Maybe watch a YouTube video. I have a new YouTube best favorite YouTuber right now, maybe call it. I've been on her channel like watching her videos back to back. You can check her out. It's quite, her videos are quite nice. So maybe if I do that, I'm going to read, then I'm going to eat, and then maybe sleep because I'm still on duty tomorrow morning. So see ya. I don't know, this place is so bright. Plays again. I'm in trouble. She manipulates my love. And I know they fully, and I know they careful. Like Papa right. So this is like, I'm back home. This is like my outfit for the day. I didn't show you my full fit. So that's a black top and then this palazzo trouser and a slippers. So this is like where I'm going to be ending today's vlog. Then maybe we're going to talk another day because as of right now I'm beat. I want to eat, do some assignments that I have. Oh, why bright? Do some assignment that I have. Don't mind me. I don't know why I'm distracted. And then sleep because no, not really sleep. I have a client's content I'm going to create before I actually sleep. So today is like still a very long day for me. So gonna see you guys when I see you. Bye. Hi, good morning. So they just brought the light, so I just want to vlog with it before they take it. So as of today, what I have to do is I want to go to the bank. I'm off duty today. Yesterday I was on duty, but I couldn't go because of the flood and arranging of the house and everything. But today I'm actually off duty, so I want to go to the bank, and then when I'm back from the bank, I'm going to go to my sister's house to actually get the skincare products I paid for. So that's it. And before I go to the bank, I don't want this. Before I go to the bank, there is like our mattress from yesterday is not yet dry, so I have to like take it out so that it's going to dry. So I still have to take out the mattress, and then I think there is something else, like I think some shoes and all that I'm going to take out too, and then that's it. Then going to go to the bank, go to my sister's house and just stay there for a while because my roommate is on duty, so she went to work. So like till the time she's going to start coming back, that's when I'm going to start coming back because this place is going to be just boring. My sister is also going to be at work, so I'm just going to lie around there. But that's just about it for today. I don't have any other plans for today doing anything. I'm supposed to wash, but maybe I'll leave the washing for tomorrow morning. I just don't know yet if I'm going to be up to washing today. Maybe I'll wash it this night, depending because the ropes are filled up with people's clothes and all that because of everybody's clothes being wet and all that. I don't know, but anyway, time will tell if I'm going to still wash today. But that's it about all. I also get to the bank early this morning, so I'm just going to eat and then prepare and go to the bank. So see ya. You know that it's time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady green like broccoli. Steady on my gun, let me hear what you want. Tell me, fitting out my fantasy. You wanna take my time in your rush. But it a rush. It a rush for a while, maybe more. Now behalf everybody they crush. The kind money we touch. Yeah, yeah. It a rush. It a rush for a while. Again, like I've left the house to the bank, as you know, and I'm back again because when I go to the bank, you're like, oh, I need my national ID card and my NEPA bill. I was just my national ID card, not my NEPA bill, so I had to come back again to get my NEPA bill. Like bank will stress the hell out of you. So I just want to go now. If I'm going now, just make my photocopy on the way and then get it to the bank and leave that bank. I want to finish everything I'm supposed to do today. Like I don't want the bank to see my face again because bank is so stressful. I even thank God that okay, I went to the one in unizik and they were able to attend to me quickly to tell me, oh, what you're even with is not complete. You need to get something complete before we can attend to you. I went to the one in the express where there's a lot of people. Maybe I would have stood in line for like 1 hour plus, and then by the time I get to the front of the person to attend to me, should be like, oh, I need NEPA bill. I have to go back again after 1 hour plus of doing nothing. So I'm even just grateful that oh, this one I just went there. I think I stayed for like 10 minutes, and she just attended to me and was like, "Oh, your account was dormant before they put in money, so that's why it's restricted. You need to get your national ID card and then your NEPA bill." I was with my national ID card, but she said I need my NEPA bill, so I came back for that. So I'm going. I think maybe the next time you're going to see me is when I'm at my sister's place to get the skincare products, or we'll see along the way. I don't know. Peace. I just want me over. Girl, I just want me with you like ice water. Me, I'm pushing me about you. Spending my people. After tonight, I go like to the ceiling. Cussing out, offended down. I guess because of you, I get many haters. I'm on you. Stop it, I'm not just to like talk. Animals turn human from. Body man, nobody like. So today is Friday and it's like seriously raining. Everywhere is bright. The window is so bright. Everywhere is not bright. But I actually really want to wrap up this vlog right now today. So I want to like unbox this Oriflame product I got from my sister yesterday. So this is like what's inside the bag. So this a face lotion. I don't know if this is going to reflect or if it's going to show. This is like a face lotion and it's from Pure Skin. It's a mattifying and cooling face lotion. And I think it has the days it's being used. Okay, daily use. It's oil free. I don't know how I'm going to show you this. So this is like it. Yeah, daily use, oil free. So this is like the face lotion in the bag. Then it contains these two. This is a face scrub, a smoothing face scrub. That's what it says, from Pure Skin too. And this like has weekly use. I actually like the way they wrote the days is being used. I don't know if you're going to see it on the body of the product, so I can actually know this is like daily use, this is like weekly use. So, and this is a toning, clarifying toning solution. Is for daily use. I don't know this right. And it's also from Pure Skin. This daily use, skin renewing, prevent plus purify plus fade. It has BHA plus PHA acid. It's also Pure Skin from Oriflame. And the last but not the least is this Novage. This Novage cleansing gel. So this is how it is. Novage, I don't know what's coming out. Novage Supreme cleansing gel. And this is like daily use, either 2 times a day or once a day. I don't know, this is very small. I got this like 9,000 naira or something. That's the price anyway. My sister gave me a discount, so she's giving to me at 9,000 naira for this one. But this came separately. The Novage came separately from these 3 together. These ones are 16,000 naira for the 3 of them. 16,000 naira for the 3 of them. So that's just it. That's what is in the bag I got yesterday from my sister. I think I showed you when I went to her hospital and her house to get them. So I haven't really used them yesterday. I didn't use them yesterday. I wanted to unbox them first with you before I start using them. So I'm going to start using them and then I'm going to let you know what exactly happened or how it went on or anything. And I'm actually quite sad today, a little bit sad, because I have a first YouTube channel, although it's not growing as much as I want to, but like the 3 rapidly growing videos on my YouTube page, YouTube removed them and they were like, oh, this is violating some copyright claims or something like that, and they just deleted the videos and gave me a strike. So I'm going to be starting afresh. This vlog is going to be going on a brand new YouTube channel. Just hope that something comes out of it, because I actually just give up on YouTube and just take a break, a very long break. So that's it. The next thing I'm going to do right now is to call the account officer that attended to me yesterday in the bank. So she gave me her card. Let me get it. She gave me her card. I'm not going to. So she gave me her card. I should call her. So before I come to the bank to know, is the bank, is my activation ready? My activation is ready, so there's no need for me to go to the bank. I just start using my account from the house. So I want to just rectify that with her first. And then I've done something today. I've written an assignment, and if you know, I don't know if I've ever said that I'm a community engager for some brands. That is, I do community engagement for some brands. So I've done my morning community engagement for a brand this morning. So this time is like 10 a.m ish, sorry. So that's also what I'm going to do today. So if I should get to call her and my bank is activated, I'll do the transfers and everything I need to do, and then I'm off to wash. Although it's raining right now, I don't even mind. If I finish washing, I can just hang it, the clothes under the rain, because there's nothing else I can do. I'm on night duty tomorrow, so I need to wash my uniform before then. So I'm going to be ending this vlog here. And if you have watched this vlog and you have watched to this place, please give this vlog a thumbs up, and please subscribe to this channel and drop your comment below. I'm actually going to be really happy to see your comments, and see you in my next vlog. Once again, my name is Sincere and I'm an Awka based YouTuber. See ya.